Hello, 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 everybody. And man, this Bosch has been amazing. Uh, that's how we trade. We get signals through Telegram, we get signals through Trading View to tell us when to buy or sell. And it looks like this right here, like sell, sell, an arrow down, and we see what happens. This is on Bitcoin. We've been just riding Bitcoin down. It's been telling us to, so if you look at it, it's just over and over and over again. We're getting wins from Bitcoin. And let me show you some of the other ones we're working on. And so we got some really great wins on Bitcoin. The different time frames. These are the different time frames on candles that are telling us when to take trades. But we got a sell here, a sell here, a sell here again. So it's still going down. This is on the hour. On the 4 hour, we had a buy right here at the bottom. It went up for 2 candles. Here goes a sell. Here goes a buy right here. A sell right there. I mean, this thing is jamming. And this is big money. Like, let's say you take this trade right here to buy, and it goes all the way up here. For 3 days, it's up. But just if you would have got out right around here and you would have just been trading them for $1, you would have made $6,439 on one day, right? Let's just see what would have happened if you would have got in this last trade right here. And it went all the way down here. You would have made $11,000 on $1. So these trades are phenomenal. But even if you're trading like short time frames in the day, like let's say you got in this trade yesterday, or this wasn't even yesterday, this is this morning, you would have made about $2,000 in 15 minutes. If you just listen to the bot or got in this trade, big money. Here goes another one that's big money right here. All these are wins, obviously, but here it is right here. Let's see what this is. That's $3,362 you would have made in 2 hours and 30 minutes of trading that. So this thing is rocking and rolling. Let's look at the other ones that these are the ones that we really trade the most: Bitcoin, US30, gold, NAS100, SPX 500, Ethereum, Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Euro USD, GBP, JPY, Euro JPY, USD JPY. So we're trading Forex are the ones that are these currencies, country versus country. We're trading top stocks, Tesla, Apple, and Amazon. We've been laying off of Tesla for a little bit. And then we have the 500 biggest companies in America, SPX, the NAS100, the 100 biggest companies, gold, US30 is the top 30 companies in the world, United States, and Bitcoin. So for all these, we see the same thing. This is gold right here to go up. It went up, gold up, up. These are 15-minute trades. We got this trade right here for gold to go down 2 in a row, and it went way down. So something like this, if you're doing $1 trades, you're looking at $18,000 you could have made right here. Really, really simple. Let's look at 30 minutes. And we see the same thing, down and it goes way down. Up right here and it goes up for 3 candles. Down, goes down. Up right here and it goes up. So these are just the trades that the robot is spitting out using the trading system that God put in me. But here goes another one, up right here and it goes way up. And this is our time frames. This went up. This went up. Let's see, 4 hours. Let's see, and we're seeing the same thing. It went up for 4 hours. Right here, you bought it, and it went way up. Let's just see what this would be. That's $53,000 you could have made right here If you had just 10 cents on this, you could have made $5,000. So these are all big trades. These are 4-hour trades, candles. So each candle is worth 4 hours. This is a day right here. So each candle that you see is worth 24 hours a time. And you see the last 4 trades that it took on us. 1, 2 right here to buy, 3, 4. So here goes another one right here. So let's just go the last 5 trades for the day. I mean, you could have made so much money. Let's just say you stayed in this trade right here this whole time. You'd have made $36,000 on 10 cents, $360,000 on, but that would be, you would be in a trade for 67 days, but you would have made $360,000 on $1. But let's just look at a trade that's even, later than that. Let's not even say we were in a trade for 67 days. Let's just say we're in a trade for right here. When is this? This was February 12th. And if we go up here, if you had 10 cents, you would have made $80,000 if you had $1, and you'd be in the trade for 13 days. Let's see the last trade it took right here. If we got in right here and got out right now to the day, you'd have made 3,400 in 4 days, or $30,000 if you had it for $1. So these are all big trades. That's gold. We went over Bitcoin, US30. You'll see the same thing. It told us to buy right here. It went way up. This is on the day. And we'll see right here. Let's just say you got out. That's $12,000 right here for $1. And you would have been in the trade for 4 days. Let's look at for 4 hours. So these are 4-hour basically candles. Each candles were 4 hours. So let's say you got into this trade right here and you got out down here. That would have been $8,000 for $1. Let's say right here, this was on the 24th. And let's say you just got out today. That would have been $3,800. And this is what happens on all the time frames, the strategy. Here goes another win right here. Here goes a big win right here. We could have stayed in this trade and went all the way down here. Let's see what this looks like. This is 8,900 for $1, and you were in the trade for what? 8 hours. Right. So each one of these candles is worth an hour now. Now each one of these candles is worth 30 minutes, and you got the same results. Wins, goes down, win. It's just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here goes the 15 minutes up. Look at this trade right here, down. So let's see how many this is right here. We got down, that's $3,000, and that would have been 5 hours of you trading. You guys got to find out how to stay in trade sometimes. A lot of people like to get out of trades as soon as they see profit. But let's just say you just took these trades right here. So you took one going down, 1,200 off $1, and that would have been 30 minutes. Then you took this one right here, told you to go down on this. And let's say you got down over here, another 1,900. So these are just phenomenal trades through the bot. And this is all I've been doing, is taking trades. And if you see, like, let me show you guys something real quick. I just took a screenshot, and I didn't want to, I didn't want to go over basically how much I'm trading for every trade. But you guys can see right here. And you guys all that are trading with me have this same kind of journal system. So we look at the date. So this is from the 20th, the first month. So January 20th, 2005. And now we're on February 25, 2005, right? It doesn't show you how much money I made right here, but look at this right here. This is what I've been trading. So I mostly traded gold. And that's what I tell you guys, trade gold, trade gold. So 40% of my trades are gold right here. If you look, right, US30, my favorite thing to trade, but it's been messed up because of our new system that we're in, right? US30, I won every single trade. 16% of my trades are US30, and I won each one, right? Then I had Euro JPY, and that's because I looked at the currency strength meter and I looked at the trades, and I took a couple of these trades, man, probably about, I don't know, maybe 10 of those trades or something, probably. Then I took Bitcoin. 10% of my trades are with Bitcoin. 8% are with Apple. USDJPY is the only one that I basically lost on. So 6% of my trades, but you can see that there's more red than green. So I lost more trades in USDJPY than I won. And then we got XPX 500, and I probably broke even on that. But as we can see, that in the last month, I was 84% win rate. So 84% of my trades I won. My ratio was, I would do, let's just say, 1-to-1, which means that my risk reward, like I was telling you guys, let's say I say gold's going to go up $10. I do a take profit for $10 of gold going up, $10 of gold going down, and it's 84%. Now, this is something that you guys need to really understand right here. The maximum drawdown of the account was only 2% at the most. So that means that if I have $100,000, the most I was ever losing at one time was $2,000 on that. So if it was an account for, let's just say it was an account for $200,000, then that means that the most that I was ever in a losing position would have been like $4,000 losing. That is wild, because that means what? For the whole month, I was never in a situation to where I was going to lose all the money. See, some of you guys are in a situation where you're going to lose 10, 20, 30% of your account on one trade. This is the way to trade. This is probably the number one thing on here, which you guys probably, most of the people don't understand, but people that are trading with me for a long time, maybe like Dave and Casey, they're probably looking at this and saying, yeah, 2%, that's crazy. Like, this is the most phenomenal thing right here, is because I'm not in a position to lose this account. Sometimes when you're trading not that much money, then you want to be at a big drawdown because you're trying to raise your money so fast, right? But if you put in the right amount of money, according to what you have in your bank account or anything, then you could be doing really good. Who wouldn't want to have $100,000 in an account and only ever lose 2,000 on any trade for the whole month, but win 84% of the time? You know how much money you would have made off of that? So these are the kind of things that I'm trying to teach you guys, because this is the real how we're gonna make money. So right now we got a call for the US30 to go up. We just got a call for the US30 to go up. So and then we got it right here on the Telegram. We see that it just came through on the Telegram too. So let's look and see what came through on the Telegram. And we got US30 to buy, 15 minutes, right? Well, I'm looking at that same thing. This is the same exact thing. So right when this hit, it went and it sent it to the Telegram. See, it says buy EMA bounce. Now let's go look at the trade, and it says what? The bounce, EMA bounce. It's the same exact trade here that we're on right now on this call. So you could take that trade right now. Boom, you're good. The best place to take this trade would be where? Would be right here. So it's really close. It's like $30 down from where it's telling you to take the trade, right? But it's in a better position. It's in a better position. It's telling you, well, it's actually telling you to get it at 43523, and that would be right here. So it's giving you a better position right now, 43525, which is a better position for you. So this is a great position because the other ones are doing the same thing. So if you guys want to take that trade right now, go ahead and take that trade. How much time do we got? We're at 23. I'm going to go ahead and take the trade. I'm gonna go ahead and lock this screen in for you guys so you guys can look at that while I take this next trade. And I'm gonna do the whole thing. I'm gonna make it so um I'm gonna make it so when I take that trade, US30, what to buy, right? And I'm gonna go protect the order. I'm gonna do a stop loss, and I'm gonna do my take profit at the same thing. So let's see here. Beautiful. All right, so I'm in that trade, and it's still going in a better. So I took it even better than what it told me. So, and as you see, until this is locked in, it still has 5 minutes. Until it's locked in, it's telling you this thing keeps on going down to a better trade. It's saying the lowest that it goes, this is where it wants you to get into, right? Telegram, you already got a signal to get at that level. But when you're looking at this right here, then it's going to tell you to get it as low as you can on this particular candle because you're going for a buy. All right. So I really like US30 just been tanking. Let's see what these maps are saying about it. And the maps for the last hour. Let's look at the maps for the last day. Apple looks pretty good. These things, these big companies are looking really reddish. So what I would do is right after the opening bell, it'll probably shoot up real quick, and then I'm getting out. I'm not going to stay in this trade for hours and hours and hours. I got into a 15-minute trade, and I want to get out probably the first 15 minutes or 30 minutes of this trade. I want to get out. Why? Because everything is red. It's a bloodbath. You know, this is the worst our economy has been in years, like a lot of years. You know, the stock market lost $1 trillion. You keep on hearing these just radical figures of losses. They're saying we're about to be in the Great Depression. You know, we're in recessions for the last like probably 8 years. We've been in recession. Now they're talking about this is getting so bad. I mean, my dad went to the store. He said he spent $60 and he only got like 4 things from Walmart. And he said nobody was in there. And the shelves were just packed up with stuff. He'd never seen it like that before. So a lot of people don't have the money to get the stuff that they used to get. And stuff is so crazily high. It's just it's getting really bad in America. But hopefully it will turn around. But what do we see? These companies, these 30 biggest companies are having major problems. You know, Apple just released a new phone. Guess what it was? It was the cheapest iPhone that was brand new. Usually every iPhone is super expensive. They made a new iPhone that's cheaper. And that's why I believe that Apple's still doing good. And Apple just pulled out $500 billion. It was saying in the news I was reading to invest in other things, not just the phone software and computers and stuff. So this is a company that's ahead of its time. It's selling high-end products and it's saying now we need to sell some low-end stuff. Why is Naveed doing so bad all of a sudden when it was remember, this company was the biggest company in the world. Look at it now. Look how much bigger Apple is than Naveed. Look, I just showed you guys the market cap for Naveed is 3.19. Look at Apple, 3.71. Remember, before this new system came in place in America, Naveed was the biggest company. Now we got Apple beating it by, you know, hundreds and hundreds, 600 million or $600 billion. That's crazy. So Amazon, why is Amazon going down? Because people don't have the money right now to just start buying stuff on Amazon all the time. Walmart, the same thing. People aren't building as much. Home Depot, Microsoft, computer based. So these are the companies that, you know, are just not doing good right now. So US30, we got in because the bot told us to get in and we're going to get out pretty soon. look at what happened. So we got in down here. It already went back up. Should we already be getting out? I'm going to wait a little bit longer. I'll probably get out like right around here. I'm not going to make super amounts of money on this trade right here, but I want to get out before it starts going back down because I see that it's like a bloodbath going on with this one. All right, let's see. We have a couple more. We got 2 minutes. Let's see what else we want to take up. Gold has been going up. Why is gold always going up? Gold is going up because remember, it's a safe haven. It's a safe haven. When everything else is looking bad, that's when people are buying gold. But even gold has been going up to all-time highs and coming right back down. Why? Because people are selling their gold right now. Usually during these desperate times, people keep on stacking gold. But now the person that bought gold needs to take their gold out because they had crypto too. And crypto just crashed. Everywhere crypto is crashing. Right? There was prophets on YouTube talking about crypto was going up, 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 had everybody buying, and now it's not doing what it was doing before. So gold is going up. We got good positions in gold. We don't have any bot signals right now. So I'm going to hold back on telling us what to do with gold. But as we see, it's just going up, up, up and away. I would like gold to kind of retreat to this red line and then come back up. I would buy it if it was at like 2940 right now. That would be a good position according to our super EMA bounce strategy. As soon as it hits this orange line, we should be taking it. So that's not a possibility right now. Apple, I love. So Apple just, the market just started. Look at it. It went straight up. We love Apple. Why? Because they got that little cheap phone that I was telling you guys about. So US30 went straight up. Get out of US30 right now. Get out of US30 right now. Everybody get out of US30. It's over. Get out, please. Don't stay in US30. I just made a whole lot of money on US30. Close that thing out. It closed itself, man. I tried to close it out. It already closed itself. Get out of US30, everybody, right now. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Man, we should have made enough just on US30 to have a good day today. I know we only got one trade in because I was telling you guys about the bot. I hope you guys got out already. That was a phenomenal trade. Man, I tried to push the button to close out, and the trade already closed out for me on my take profit. Beautiful. Now, why do we not stay in US30? Because I showed you the US30 was going down. The bot told us it was going up because it knew it was going up. But now look, let's look again. Let's look for the hour. And, you know, it kind of cleared up. It's not as red as it was, but let's just get out of that. And we might get into it later, but man, phenomenal. I mean, did anybody take US30? Unmute yourself and tell me if you took US30 because that was a wild ride right there. Oh my goodness. Wow. That was beautiful. You guys, who took US30? Man, please get out. Look, it told us to take it way down here. Look what happened. Listen, let me just show you guys what just happened. My thing closed out. Look, for $1, you just made $1,700 that quick. We're talking about in 2 minutes. I hope you guys all took that. It's still going up. But I'm telling you right now, please, like, it's about to hit this red line right here. I'm out. I'm out of that trade. I mean, I would even take it for less down right now. Like, I'll get into a trade. I'm not going to do it myself, but like if I was you guys and I missed the trade going up, I'll get in this trade US30 to go down right here, you know, and I'll probably get out about right here because it looks like it's going to come right back down and probably like later on today it'll be way down here somewhere. And what we can see is this kind of, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So right here is where the support is for it. And right here is, you know, this resistance in between here and here is the resistance. So we want to take it up right here. And you guys unmute yourself. You guys can talk if you want to, but it hit the second resistance level up here. It should be coming right back down. It might bounce off of here and come back up, but man, it just skyrocketed. Man, I'm happy. That was like winning like 4 trades for me. Just this little one trade right here was really a phenomenal adventure. And I'm kind of glad I didn't go for so many trades. But Apple, remember I told you guys Apple, it went way up. If we would have got into Apple, it started right here and went way up here. So we would have been out of Apple also. And let's look and see if we would have wanted anything else. Oh, that was beautiful, guys. Sheesh. Here we go. Gold is going back down where I was telling you. If it hits this line right here, we want to take it back up. We did not want to get gold where it was. It's not even moving that much, so that's good. We just avoided that. And let's see, Euro JPY. I got positions from yesterday. I took Euro JPY up from like down here. And let me show you guys once the bot loads up. What a phenomenal month of trading. Wow, that is cool. Come on, bot. So the bot is loading. So I took this trade down here yesterday and it's way up. I didn't even get out up here. So let's see. When did it tell us to take this one? And you guys have this bot on TradingView. You guys want to be looking at different time frames, different trades. You know, have about, look at me, I got about 30 trades here, but 10 of them are cryptos that I'm not even really trading right now. So here we go down. Here we go up. So I'm really liking, like right now, my favorite trade is US30, Bitcoin, gold. These are the ones that I'm looking at constantly. And I'm constantly getting, you know, NAS100, SPX 500. I'm trading a lot. And you guys can see, I showed you that. You guys can look on the WhatsApp and see which ones I'm trading. Apple, I'm trading a lot. I love Apple, you know. And we had another day of phenomenal trades. And it's beautiful. You know, this is real simple. Your friends can get involved. Everybody could be winning with us. You could just trade off of this Telegram bot right here, because these are the ones you should be trading. Now, the Telegram bot trades what? It trades Bitcoin. It trades NAS100. It trades US30. Okay. And let's scroll up and see what else it trades. It trades 6 different things. And the 6 ones that I picked are my favorite trades. And they're the ones that are the least spread to get in. So you're not losing money right away from taking these trades. So we got gold. We got Euro USD on here. And it's barely trading Euro USD. I don't even see it. But it's mostly trading what? Gold, Bitcoin, SPX, NAS100, US30. And so that's a beautiful, beautiful thing. I'm loving it. I'm loving it because this is what I do. So I was in a master program and I still am, but this is the last week of it and I'm already done. I was done a week early. I got 100 in one class, 105 in the other because I did some extra credit. But it was very, very difficult. So I'm happy about that. But all I'm doing is just go on the computer like this and I wait for a signal to come up. And I actually have it on these notifications. So I clicked on notifications, I selected a tone, and every time that it rings on here on my computer, then I take a trade. So I make it make a tone and then I take a trade. And so look at the trades that happen. So if we look right here, US30 622, we took that trade. Didn't take this one. Here we go right here. And if we would have took this trade, guess what? We would have made money. 619. Let me show you why. Look at this. Let me just show you why we would have made money on this one. So US30, let's go. We got in at 619. So 619 was up here. It went all the way down here. Okay. And then we got the signal to buy. So as soon as we got the signal to buy, we already bought this for 3 minutes. It went down. We got out. And then we bought when it told us to, and it went way up here. So now what happened? I told everybody, I said, if you miss this up here, take it down and get out where? Right here. So everybody should be getting out of this trade right now. So that would have been your second win, right? But the bot told us to go down. It went down right here, okay? And then it told us to what? Go up. So we would actually been in right here. 619 is this area right there. Let's go to 619. So 619 is this area up here. It went all the way down here, and then it told us to buy. So then what would we do if we got a signal to buy after getting a signal to sell? We would have bought right here. So we would have got out of our sale, bought, and it went way up there. Now, I told you guys, up here at this red line, take it going back down, and it's going down. I would stay in this trade going down. Let's look at the maps again. I would stay in this trade going down. I think for the day, it's going to really go down. For the day, I feel like this is really going to go down. So, phenomenal day. So we got that. And does anybody have any questions? Nope. All right. Well, that was a great adventure for us, you guys. If nobody has any questions, if nobody needs any guidance on anything else. Oh, wait up. Maybe I can't hear you guys. Sorry, 1 second. 1 second, 1 second. I'm sorry, I was asking questions, but maybe it's not. Okay. I think I can hear you now. Does anybody have any questions?
I still need help.
Okay. Are you doing the 1 by 1 thing where you put the stop loss and take profit in?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how to take. I know where to go to put the stop loss, but I don't know what numbers to put in the top one and then the bottom, the take profits. That's I'm still confused at. So I'm
Oh,
when you're winning money on US30 and you're going up and up and up, mine's going down, down, down. So
did you buy US30 today?
yes, you said okay, everybody buy 30, so I went up. Now I took it going down, in other words, to sell, and now I'm making up a little bit of what I lost.
Oh, wow. We got in way down here and it went way up here though.
I know, and I lost.
Oh, you must have hit the sell button on accident, maybe.
No, I put buy. I know how to do all that. That's easy. So I just need to know what amounts or what numbers I look at to put in the stop and which ones to take profit.
Okay.
That's where I'm confused. And in order to make $1,000, like you said, how much money do you have to have in there to do that?
That would have just been you putting one lot. That's all. It didn't matter how much money you had in there. You just gotta
Okay.
put the trade for one lot. You would have made the
Okay,
thing.
and also on on my gold,
Uh-huh.
it's rejecting everything. Every time when the bot says to put in to buy, I put it in and it goes reject and it won't do it. So I don't know what I did on that.
Hmm. Okay. Well, we can get on we'll get on this for you. Let me show you guys let me show you guys this real quick. Here we go. Boom,
Yeah,
boom.
I don't want to take up the your meeting with everybody else.
No, no, no. This is good. So we're just gonna go over how I do this real quick. Let me show you. And where is the options to share?
I don't see the screen as far as the trading view. I just see
No,
basic.
I just changed it. Now I'm gonna
Oh,
show you my screen right now.
okay.
Let me show you something. Because I wanted to here go right here, okay? So if we look at this right here, I took an Apple trade for one lot size right here, and
Mm-hmm.
it's winning 256. Okay. Let's just say we want to take that US30. Okay, let's find US30 on here.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, US30 is right here. Okay. So we would have said buy when the bot told us to buy, and we would have hit right here. See, it's
Mm-hmm.
going down now, like we said.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna buy. So on the stop loss, you would have said, this is what you're looking at, projected loss. So you want to have that at like maybe $100. Okay. Well, that's for a lot of one. Let's say you would be at like a $500 loss, which would mean that you got a little bit in your account, like maybe you got $5,000 in your account or something. But so we would make a stop loss because we're at a buy. We got to make our stop loss lower than where it's at. So we need to say, let's just say, uh, 0 0. So now that's $6,000. If we lose, it goes $6,000 loss, right? Now we go take profit, and if that's $6,000, then we want to make sure that the take profit is going to make us $6,000. So that would only make us what? $4,000. So now we got to keep on increasing this to now it's $6,000. 44,200 is, if we're starting right here at the trade at 43,000, this, it needs to go up what, about $600, and it needs to go down 6,000 or $600 to for us to lose 6,000 because we're doing one lot. So now we send in the order, okay, and now we're waiting for it to go up, and it will close out itself if it hits up here. That's what just happened with me. It closed out, right? Well, now we're saying, well, we are already winning money. We already know it's supposed to go down, so I put it in for it to go up. So it just bounced back up, and guess what? I'm out. And I made $200 right there, and I'm done. So what I did is I did the same thing, but it went way up really fast.
Mm-hmm.
So that's how I went up $1,700 on one lot size, right? So when we got in that trade, let's go back to where we were at. So I got in this trade right around here. Okay. And then it went way up here and it closed me out right here. This is where it closed me out. So if I would have been trading for one lot, I would have made $1,700. If I was trading for 10 lots, I just made $17,000. See, I was real happy because it went up that fast and closed out itself, because I had to take profit up here and then I had the stop loss at the same distance. So we would have to go down 1,700 and we could see where I have my stop loss. So when I put my stop loss in, if it would have went down to here, I would have lost, right? So, but it never even went down. So there's no way we could have lost on that trade. If we picked it to buy, it never went down here, so there's no way we should have lost. If we did lose, it means that we got in right here and we got out really quick and probably lost like $50 or something, because it only went down a little bit after we got in for the buy. So that's what I was saying. It's like impossible basically to have lost that trade. Okay, so now then we were up here, right? And I said when it hits this red line, you could take it back down. So let's say you took it back down. I was saying to get out right around here. So if you would have did that, that would have got you another $600 right there. But you could stay in this trade because I was telling you that like it was basically going to go up and then come right back down, because we seen that, the maps were saying that yes, the bot told us it was going up, and we can pick it going up, but eventually it's going to fall back down because the market is saying it should be going down instead of up. So this is what should have actually happened. We got in right here before, like 3 minutes before the opening bell. We should have got out right around here where I got out at, right? Because I was telling everybody, I said, get out, get out, get out, get out. So everybody should have won this one right here. Even if you had it for 10 cents, 0.1, you should have made $170 right here. Okay. Then when it went back, then I told you, I said, everybody wait, wait, wait. And once it hits this red line, go back down. So it hit this red line. Yes, it did go up right here, but we're not going to close out just by going up just a little bit more. So let's say we got in right here, and then I told everybody to get out right around here. So we should have made like $500 to $600 or $50 to $60 going back down right here. So, and you're new, but you're doing good. See, some people at your time don't even know when to push the button yet, don't know how to set up a stop loss, right? The stop loss is like very key, and that's something that takes a little bit of time because you're taking a trade. Let's do it again. Let's do one more stop loss. Let's go to sell. We're going to go US30 to sell. Okay. Now we have to hit this protective order right here. And we got to say that we're willing to lose. Let's just do $100. So we got it going down. So we're going to say, okay, this can go up. And we're looking at this number right here. This is where it's currently at, $43,630, right? So we're going to go, okay, we want it to go up 100. So what would 100 be? 43.7. All we got to do is change one number, 743. So now we would lose $1,000 if it goes up there. Now we're doing the take profit down here, and we're saying, okay, we're just going to change this one number right here to 5, and we're right around the same thing, and we're going to in the trade. Okay, so now we're in the trade, and it's selling. We're moving in the right direction. And so now we can open this up and see it's free falling right here. And, I really only want to make about $170 to $200. That's what I really want to close this trade out in. Okay, but if I just walk away and I got to go to the bathroom or I got to do something, we want to have this set up so if it does just boost out in the wrong way, then we're out of the trade and we're not going to lose a lot of our account. Okay, but if we're monitoring this trade, we're saying like on this trade right here, I want to make about $200, $300. And so we're going to stay in this trade until it does that. But if it does like some radical thing and it goes down like really fast, like it just did right here, it's like, look, I'm up $200 now. I'm already there. That's all I wanted to do is win that much. You see, so I'm waiting for it to go down again. Now it's at $200 and I'm done. I just won $200 again. So I set up my stop loss just in case it busts up really quick or busts down really quick. But right now I'm monitoring my trades. So I really just want $200 to $300. And then if it goes to $200 or $300 the wrong way, I'll get out the trade. I'll say, oh, forget that. I'm out. So that's really what's happening for us. And then I'm in this trade right here, and there's no stop loss, no take profit. Because why? Because Apple doesn't move that fast. And it's just moving in the right direction. So there's no need for me to even do anything with this. I'll probably put a stop loss take profit in when it gets to like $1,000 profit. So today I started this. This is demo account. So this is the account that I show you guys, just a demo account. So I started this with $10,000 today, and now I'm up $10,600. So I'm up $600, which means that I'm up 6% of this account today trading in front of you guys, right? And then when I don't show my screen and I keep it on there and I take a trade like I did this morning, I'm in a big account and I'm trading and I'm super happy. But this is just demo, so it's more for like explaining to you guys and showing you guys everything. But that's how we do our take profit and stop loss.
So you really make money when you have more money in your account. So
Yeah,
Uh,
but right now, for you, we don't want to put too much money in an account. Remember? I mean, if I was trading your money, it would be okay to put a lot of money in the account. But right now, we want you to do like what happened today, right? Like, how about if you put a lot of money in and you lost a little bit on that US 30?
mhm.
Look, I told us to get in right here. It went way up. We won. Then when it was
Yeah,
up here, I told you to go down and look where it's at now. Are you
right.
still in the trade?
I am, but I have it to sell.
Yeah, so you should be winning.
I am winning.
Okay, yeah, get out.
Get
This is
out?
where we Yeah, because we're trading the morning trade, the open bill. We don't want to be in these trades for too long. We want to be in these trades in the morning for like 5, 10 minutes. It might still keep on going down, but just take your profit.
I don't know how to take the profit.
Oh, let's go to that. Okay. So here's your account. You look right here and hit this X.
Where? I can't see. Let's see. Where are you?
You can't see this right here?
Yeah, I see now.
Right here.
Right.
You hit that X and then it comes in and then you say close position. Then you get your profit. Did you do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Beautiful. So in the morning when you're trading with me, we want to just get in, get out. You know what I'm saying? Get out, get out. Trust me. Because we could have been in that. See, if we didn't get out right now, let me show you what could have happened. So we got in right here, and I told everybody to get out up here. If you didn't get out up here, now you broke even on that first trade. Right? And then you wouldn't have got in the second trade to sell up here and won all this money again. So you basically like you if you would have stayed in as long as you did, because I told you to get out right here going down. So you did great. So let's just say you took this trade like me, got out when it hit this red line. You would have won $1,800. Then I told everybody to take the trade going down from this red line, and you just got out right now. So you would have made 1,700. So you would have just made about 3,000. What is that? $3,500. You would have made this morning on one lot trades. You see?
Yeah. I
So
only
th-
have.
so that's why I'm telling you, don't I know I know you're not trading for one lot, but what I'm saying is Gail, you don't even know you're doing so good. You just have to stay motivated and you got to stay happy that we're making the right calls. And I guarantee you, because all you're doing is just learning the little kinks of stuff, where to close a trade, how to put in the take profit, what you're looking for when I'm talking, what you're looking for on the Telegram, what you're looking for on the trading view. So all you're doing right now is just gathering all this information like a sponge and you're
Mhm.
crawling right now, right? But you want to run. You're like a racehorse, right? And I got you like you're a pony right now. And you're saying, Lonnie, release me. I'm a racehorse, Lonnie. I'm a bull. This is what you're telling me. Like,
Mhm.
let's put in more money. I'm ready right now. But I'm saying just let's grow you up to that racehorse that I know you are. Because once you know all the buttons and you know all the stuff, and you know how to look at the trades and what to do with it, I'm telling you, then I'm gonna say, here, let's put in more money. And then you're gonna be the person that's making like instead of you making that 1,700 going up, you're gonna be the one making $4,000.
So the bot just said sell on NAS 100.
Yep. So
Is
let's
that
look at
is that
look
still
at look.
good?
Yeah, what time frame does it say?
240?
So 240, that means uh 4 hours, the 4 hour setting.
So what does that mean?
That
So
means that you're gonna sell for like you'll be in that trade for like 4 to 8 hours, probably
okay.
4 to 8, 12 hours, maybe. That's like an all-day trade you're looking at.
Okay.
Let me see. Because that might be oh, never mind. That's a whole day trade. Jeez. So that's one of the best trades you could get into. So you're not gonna trade for the same amount that you've been trading for. You're
Okay.
gonna you're gonna lower your lot size because it's such a huge trade.
Well, right now I just have 0 1.
Yeah, that's perfect. So yeah, so get in that trade and you're gonna take that trade for, I mean, you're gonna be in that trade for a while.
Okay, but I didn't set any profit or loss.
Yeah, so your profit and loss is gonna be, rather uh let me go to it. I'll show you right now. So your profit and loss is gonna be pretty big on something like that. So let's say we take Nas and it said to take it down.
Mhm.
Okay. And see, I wouldn't even trade 0.05 on this. I would trade 0.01 because it was a day trade. Look how fast it's going down though. But I would say something like it's gonna move. Well, let's just do 5. I would do 5 actually.
Okay.
But let's say, for something like this, remember the stop loss, since you're selling, the stop loss part has to be higher because you're selling. That
Okay, so
means if it
stop.
goes high, that you're gonna lose because you want it to sell, which means you're gonna make profit. So we'll get used to that over and over and over, just a repetitive thing. So let's say like 800, you put right here. So that means you're willing to lose $300 if it goes that way. And so now you want to make $300 going the other way. So what did I do? I went 21,800. So that's
Mhm.
$600 up that you could lose. So I'll go $600 down, which is I'll have to take this and make this zero first, zero. And then I'll have to go 200 down plus 400 down, which is 600 right here.
Okay, so you're taking profits lower than your stop loss, right?
No. It's usually around the same. I was just trying to figure it out mathematically. So it keeps on moving. So 21,000, it was at 21,200. So I said $600 in the wrong way going up. So that's why I did 21,800 because it was 600 up. And then so now I got to go 600 down.
This is
And
live, right? You're doing this live?
yeah, I'm doing this live right here. Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yep. So now I took the trade. So I'm gonna win $300 going down if it keeps on going down, and I'll lose $300 going up in this. But if we look right, $300, this is real money, 300. So now I needed to get in the trade because I seen it was just running down really quick.
Yeah.
So now I need to fix this and say I want this to be 320 because this is 320 going down. Now I need to hit this until it goes to 320 or like go down to 540. Now we're closer, right? Now I'm going to go down to 500. So now I'm making more than I'm losing. So I'm good. You want to keep it like 1-to-1. So we are already making money on this trade. If I was at one lot, this would be worth 106. No, wait, even more than that. So that's 0.5. So 0.5, I would have to times this to be one lot. I would have to say 10. So I would go 20 times this right here,
See if
which
yours
would,
at 0.05, 0.05.
yeah, but if I had it at one lot, I was saying.
Okay.
So because it's at 0.05, we're at $15 profit, but I would have to times this by 10 to get to the 50, and then I'll have to times it by 20 to get to the 1, right?
Right. Okay, so I put 0.05 and I get I gotta change my stop loss. It says stop loss price you set must be higher or equal.
Yes. So that's what I was telling you. So on your stop loss, you got to sell, but you can't make your stop loss go down lower than the price. It needs to go higher. So
Okay.
if the price is at 21,147, your stop loss has to be a higher amount than that because that means that if it starts going up, then it's going to close out for you because it's going the wrong direction. You want it to go down. So you need to put this at 21,800.
21,800. Okay.
Uh-huh. And then that will work. So if you're selling, your stop loss needs to be a higher amount. If you're buying, your stop loss needs to be a lower amount because that's the wrong direction. right? So if you were at 20, so how much would we have made? Right now, we would make $400 right now. If we would have got in this and had it on one lot, we would have made $400 right now.
Okay,
Just
and then my take profit should be how much?
your take profit is, so we're going $600 up. So now we need to go $600 down to get the same amount on the, so 20,500.
8,500.
Yep, because look, it's at 21,130. So we need to go $600 down, which is 20,530.
Okay, well, I have my, now it says stop loss percent of balance must be lower to equal 100%.
Yeah,
Is that,
because you can't. So let's say you have an account with $300 in it. You can't have the stop loss for more than $300 because once it hits $300, you're gonna lose your account.
I see. Okay, so change my lot size to 2 maybe?
Yeah.
Or 0.2 or 2?
Uh,
I don't have it. I just have the 0.50 right now.
0.02.
Point.
0.02.
Okay, it's still saying that. Oh, geez. Okay.
So that trades in. Let's make another trade. So let's say I have let's see. Okay, let's do an easier one. Let's go 21,000. Let's go 300 up from here. So 300 up from here would be 433. So all we got to do is change one number right here. We just change this one to 4. See? Now it's at 150 loss. Now we go to take profit and then we want to go $300 down from here. So we have to change the 0 and then we have to change this to 8. Now we have 150, 150 about. So then now we take the trade.
That was on Apple?
No, Nas 100. That's the one you told me.
Oh,
The
okay.
bot call now.
Yeah, it's still not get saying stop loss percent of balance must be lower. Okay, so
Okay, you did that one though? What do you have right here for the point zero what?
I have 0.80.
Oh yeah, that's way too much.
Okay.
Yeah, go to 0.05 or go to
Oh,
0.08.
okay.
Yeah, because I'm doing 0.05. So 0.08 and then go to protective order and then go to your stop loss.
Okay.
And then now we want to say $300 in the wrong direction. We want to get out. So 21,000. So we have to add 300 to this. So 21,000. So we're going to change this 1 to a 4. That would be adding $300. Now we'll lose $230 if it goes the wrong way. Now for the take profit.
Okay, so 21, then 4000.
Yeah. Or you could just keep the 25 there or whatever's there. I just changed one number. But now when we do the take profit, we got to change the 21,000. We got to go 20,000 because we want to go under. And
Right?
since it's at 100, we need this to be 800 now because 20,800. And now see we're at the same amount almost. 250, 230. So then we say send order in. Now we're going to go back into the order and we want to make sure that our take profit is making as much as our take loss. So now we got to figure out, what would be 50 more or 25 more dollars. So we would say, okay, let's erase this 30 and just have 0, 0. Okay, now it's 250 and 250 and we're done.
It's going down. I'm losing. Shit.
Yeah, but this is a trade that you're going to be in for a long time. This is like a whole day trade.
Okay.
So yeah, just stay in this trade for a while. Yep. And then remember, we just got in we're in this trade, but when we first started this trade is way up here. We're in profit, right? Now we're in this trade down here and it's a little bit out of profit because what is it doing? It's bouncing. It just went up a little bit. Now it's coming back down. right? But over time, this should be going, look at it. It's been going down, 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 down. And then we just got a call for it to keep on going down. It's like this has been going down for days at a time. Do you see these are day candles? So it's been going down. This is down 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days in a row has been going down.
And
Yep. Let's look and see if did anything else get called out. Let's see. Okay, so SPX, same thing, 24-hour time frame, SPX to sell. So we could do that. We could do, let's just do one more trade together.
I
And
want to fix my gold so I can trade.
oh, you're on gold?
Yeah, no, I was going to ask you. Yeah, so my gosh, NAS 100 is still going down. I'm losing profit.
No, look, it should be going. Yeah, it's going down. You should be winning. Did you put a buy or a sell in?
I put sell.
Okay, what does it say right here on yours?
It says I have NAS 100 sell 0.08.
Yeah,
Um,
because it just bounced up a little bit. But don't worry, we're in this for the long run.
oh geez, I just
Yeah,
lost 25 bucks just now, right down.
it made you get out of the trade.
No,
Oh
I
yeah,
I
yeah, you're
was
still.
up to 570 and now it's down to 541, 536.
I know, but you're not losing until you trade out the trade. So we're gonna be in this trade for a while. It's just bouncing right now.
Okay.
So yeah, don't worry about that. It's way down here. Okay, let's so you said that gold.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Well, yeah.
Gold's going down fast. And let's
So
see.
you can make money when it goes down on gold too, though, right? If you have it for
A
sale.
sell. Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah. It went way down.
Hmm.
This is where it started at. When the market started, it opened right here and it went down, down, down. It went down 3 candles right now. So we would have just got in this trade in the beginning of the market, started right here.
Hmm.
And now if we had a sale, we would have made 1,400, right? So do you see why like US30 it moved in like 2 minutes, the same that it moved here in like a half an hour or 45 minutes? You see?
Hmm.
That's why that US30 trade was so exciting because it just took gold 45 minutes to do what US30 did in 1 minute, two
Hmm.
minutes.
Hmm.
Yeah. So
Gold looks like it's going up though, no?
no, it's just bouncing. See, it went all the way down here to
Mhm.
this wick and then it just went back up a little bit. But so that's what it does. It's going to go like this, down, up, down, up, down. But it's moving in the direction of down. But you could tell like right here, it got in and it went all the way back up here and then it started going all the way back down. So you'll be able to understand these candles. That's why candles are the best thing to trade with because see, we could be trading with the bar. We could be trading with the line, right? This I don't know how to read this. This doesn't make sense to me, but the candles do because and I'll teach candles tomorrow before we trade, but the reason why we want candles, it shows us when it's bouncing. Like it starts right here, it goes up all the way up here, it comes all the way back down here, and then the next candle it's up, and then it goes back down. So that's once we understand these candles, like, okay, so what happened here is it started right here, it started going down, then it went all the way up here, then it went all the way down, and then it moved over to this candle. It went up, and then it went all the way down here, and then it moved over to this candle, went all the way up here, and then now it's way down here, and now it went all the way down here as the lowest, and now it's bouncing back up. So that's what always happens. Like it gets to somewhere, it bounces back up, and then it's like a wave, kind of like at the beach, and then it's gonna go back down here. So in the general direction of this trade, like what I see is this right here. I see that it came from right here, and I see that it's been moving down. So what do I think is going to happen next? I think this candle is going to be over here. It's going to probably touch this purple line, and then it's going to go even further down. That's what should happen. Like the same way right here. What happened right here? So let's just say we got in right here. It went straight up like this. And then it started going down.
Yeah, you're looking at gold right now, right?
Yeah, this is gold.
Mhm.
You're in gold or not?
Yeah, I did. I jumped in, I changed my lot size thing and it worked.
Okay, good, good, good. So you're winning now because it's going down, right?
I am.
Okay, good. Let's look at the Nas. Are you winning on Nas? Because this is going way down now.
Nas is in the green.
Look, look at all the Nas trades I took since you were talking to me.
Wow.
Everything is winning, right?
Right.
Right. So all I have to do is just hit this right here. Look, and this closes out every trade I got because all of them are in the green.
Oh, so you close them when they're in the green?
Yeah, you close out in the green because that's profit.
Okay. But if it's still going, you don't
Oh,
want
you keep on going with those.
to.
The Nas is like it said the whole day, so I would stay in that for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you got it for a lot of lot size because of your account. But we don't want to put money in your account right now. We want to practice right now
Right.
because I would have wished you were in. I'm just telling you, you're that horse. You're like a Porsche right now, right? At a stoplight. And your engine is revving. So if you were in if you were in the demo account, then you probably wouldn't be excited because you're not winning or losing, right?
Right.
So that's why we put real money in your account. But right now, just remember this: like this is money that you want to win, but you're more focused on learning everything right now to where in a month or two, I believe you're gonna be winning a whole lot of money. Because then we'll be able to put some good money, not like a lot of money, but we'll be able to put some money in here, and you'll be able to make like at least, you know, let's just say today we made 1,700 on one trade with one lot. Let's just say you were at, zero point 0.5 lots, so you would have
Mhm.
made $800. And I think $800 in a day for a couple minutes of trading, I think you would have been happy today.
I would. Yeah, I would have.
Then you would have took it back down because you're a horse, like I said, and you would have made another 700. So you would have been today, you would have made $1,500, and I think you would have said, okay, that's a good day for me. Because
Yeah.
we
I'm
got to
just trying
get
to
you to
make up
where
what
you're
I've lost.
yeah, we want to get you to make like $1,000 or $2,000 a day. That's our goal.
Amen. Amen.
Yeah. But it's not like this isn't a get rich quick scheme, right?
No,
This
I
is like,
get it. I get it.
yeah. Okay. All right, you guys. Love you guys. And Gail, let's get on a little later on in the day when you get done with some stuff, and let's do a little one-on-one again.
Oh, okay, sounds good.
All right. God
Thank
bless you
you.
guys. You guys have a great day.